Want to supercharge your podcast by letting your listeners actually talk back? Let's dive into how to add a voicemail feature to your Buzzsprout website, making it easier than ever for your audience to share their thoughts. First things first, log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to your podcast's dashboard. From there, look for the website tab, usually nestled in the menu options, perhaps with a little icon. Click on the website tab to open the website customization settings. This is where the magic begins. In the website settings, search for the Customize section or similar setting, where you'll be able to adjust the overall style and functionality of your website. Inside the Customize settings, you'll typically find an option to add voicemail or a section where you can integrate a voicemail service. Buzzsprout often streamlines this process by partnering with services like SpeakPipe, which is a click-to-record option. Check your options closely. Buzzsprout could integrate voicemail using some other third-party service, so make sure to use one of those. If using a service like SpeakPipe, you'll likely be prompted to create an account or link an existing one. Follow their setup instructions, which usually involves picking a unique link and customizing the appearance of the voicemail button. This button will appear on your website. Once integrated, the button will magically appear on your Buzzsprout website, ready for listeners to leave you voice messages. You can often customize the button's color and position on your site to match your branding. Now, the best part, check your Buzzsprout dashboard regularly for new voicemails. The voice message will be available for listening and management. You can listen to the messages and often save them as audio files for use in your podcast, fostering a deeper connection with your listeners. Congratulations! You've successfully added voicemail to your podcast website and opened up a new avenue for listener interaction. Start listening, engaging, and building your podcast community.